Hi, Chelsey here, and welcome to my 10-minute quick yoga workout. Today, our focus is this sun salutation and taking our time to connect that breath with the movement. It's always good to take it back to the basics and really challenge those muscles to build that heat and find that movement to breath. All right, let's go ahead and get started in child's pose. We'll begin hip width distance and really think about lifting through the spine first before we walk our hands forward. Now start with that breath. So inhale here, lengthening through the spine, and then exhale, slowly drop that chest towards your mat. Now from here, use that breath. Inhale, rise a little bit, walk the hands a little bit further out, and then exhale it back down. Take 2 big breaths here, really pressing those hips towards the heels and fingers towards the front of the mat. One more big inhale and exhale. And then on that next inhale, we'll rise the body up, and then we'll walk the hips a little bit further open. Now from here, inhale, lengthen through the spine. And as you exhale, really reach that left arm towards that right side, finding that lengthen in the low spine. Exhaling that chest closer to the ground. Inhale, press back up. And then as you exhale, reach with that right arm to the left side. Keeping those hips towards those heels, keeping that breath. Again, inhale it back up. Last time each side. Exhale, really drive that arm down to the right side. Now this time, we'll extend both arms, getting a nice deep stretch. Take 2 breaths here. Beautiful. On that next inhale, rise it back up. Exhale, reach to that left side. And sink that chest, relax that head, that forehead down. Continue that breath. And on that next inhale, rise the body up. We'll walk those hands forward and just explore your way up into your down dog. So take your time. If you need to pedal it out a little bit, reach long through that spine. And then slowly walk those feet towards the hands. Once you've made it here, really release that head all the way down. Shake it no. And then yes, to end on a positive note. Bend those knees and slowly roll it up 1 vertebrae at a time. All right. Grounding those feet at the front of the mat, roll the shoulders back and down. We're gonna begin our sun salutations nice and slow. All right, here we go. Inhale, rise the arms up. Exhale, lead with that chest. Forward fold, swan diving forward. Inhale, halfway lift, flat back, reaching through the crown of the head. Exhale, bend and plant the hands, step it back, plank. Nice and strong here. Inhale, shift it forward. Exhale, bend the knees, elbows press back, lower down, chaturanga. Inhale, up cobra. Exhale, tuck the toes, down dog. Inhale, right leg steps forward. Keep it low this time in a little lunge. Exhale, step that back leg forward, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift, flat back. Exhale it back down. Inhale, reverse swan dive all the way up. Exhale, plant and press the hands back down. Beautiful. All right, other side. Inhale, nice and slow, arms up. Exhale, swan dive forward, leading with that chest. Inhale, halfway lift, flat back. Exhale, drop it down, step or hop it back. Inhale, shift that weight forward. Exhale, chaturanga down, nice and slow. Inhale, up cobra, opening up that chest. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, left leg steps forward, runner's lunge. And then exhale, forward fold. Step the back to meet the front. Inhale, halfway lift, flat back. Exhale it back down. Reverse swan dive it up. And exhale, press those arms down. Beautiful. That is the basis. We're gonna take it a little bit further this time. All right, try and connect with that breath. This may be slower or faster to you, so try and lengthen it out and go with whatever your movement is doing. All right, here we go. Inhale those arms up. Exhale, swan, dive it forward. Inhale, halfway lift, flat back. Weights in the front of those feet. Exhale it back down. Nice and slow, beautiful. Step or hop it back. From here, take an inhale, shift the weight forward. Exhale, slowly lower down, chaturanga. Inhale up, cobra. If you like, press into the bottom of the feet. Lift the knees up, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, right leg steps forward this time. Inhale the arms all the way up, crescent lunge. Exhale, step forward, hands come down, forward fold. Inhale, flat back, halfway. Exhale it back down. Inhale, reverse swan dive up. Exhale, press the arms down. Beautiful. Again, just like that. Inhale those arms up. Exhale, swan dive forward. Inhale, halfway lift, flat back. Exhale, take it down, step or hop it back. Inhale, shift the weight forward. Exhale, take it down, chaturanga. Inhale up, cobra, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, take that left leg forward. Inhale the arms up, crescent lunge. Exhale, step it forward, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift, flat back. Exhale it back down. Inhale, reverse swan dive. And exhale, press the arms back down. Nice. Roll the shoulders down. Take the feet hip width distance. And a nice micro bend in those knees for this mountain pose. So find your breath again. Let the heart settle. And take a couple breaths right here. Flowing again and moving. Remember, connect that breath to movement. Here we go. Inhale those arms all the way up. Reaching through the fingertips. Exhale, swan dive it forward. Inhale, halfway lift, flat back. Exhale, step or hop it back. Beautiful, shifting that weight forward. Exhale, take it down, chaturanga, pausing halfway. Now really press into those hands, the feet, feel the ground. Exhale, lower all the way. Inhale up, cobra to up dog. Exhale, down dog. Inhale that right leg all the way up towards the sky. Open up those hips, reach with the toes. Exhale, bend that knee, step it forward. Inhale all the way up, crescent lunge. Now this time, take it all the way back. Exhale it out, reach that chest forward and those fingertips up. Exhale, reach it all the way back down. Step it forward. Now here, keep those hips low and reach those arms all the way up by the ears into a chair pose. So lengthening through that spine, find that breath here. So still extending, full breath, and letting that body settle, even though it's working so hard. One last breath, in and out. And on that next inhale, rise it all the way up. Exhale, press the arms down. Beautiful, roll those shoulders back, palms facing forward, little micro bend. Mountain pose, just find your breath right here. Nice. One more in and out. And we'll begin the other side. Last breath. And we'll begin the other side. So inhale those arms up. Exhale, swan dive it forward. Inhale, halfway lift, flat back. Exhale, step or hop it back. Inhale, shift that weight forward. Exhale, lowering down, chaturanga. Pause halfway. Feel that floor in those hands, on those toes. Smile and exhale, lower all the way down. Inhale, up cobra to up dog. Exhale, down dog. Really lengthen in this down dog. And then inhale that left leg all the way up towards the sky. Reaching through the toes. Exhale, bend that knee into chest, step it forward. Inhale the arms up, crescent lunge. Getting nice and low. Exhale, reach it up and back. Tiny little back bend. Staying nice and strong and lengthened. Exhale, reach it forward. Step it forward. Keep the hips low, reach the arms up, chair pose. Maybe a little lower. So lengthen through those fingertips. This time, press the hands together, bring them into heart center. Keep that chest open. And we'll hold here for 3. Keep breathing. 2 and 1. Slowly lengthen up. Exhale the arms down. Beautiful job. Moving with the breath. So here is an opportunity for optional Shavasana. So if you'd like, pause your video, take a few moments in corpse pose, just breathing, relaxing, recuperating the muscles. If not, thank you so much for joining me, and I cannot wait to see you next time.
Join us for 14 and 30-day programs, hour-long classes, and much more on our yoga app, Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth. It's free to download and features a variety of wellness content, including yoga, fitness, Pilates, guided meditations, and interviews with dozens of wellness experts.